Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. It's time for a new episode. Are you ready? Let's go. Our first speaker is healthy food. Healthy food is nutritious. Healthy food gives you energy. Do you want to be strong like this elephant? Eat your veggies. They will make you grow big and tall. You will have strong bones and muscles. Healthy food makes you feel good inside and out. It helps you focus in school and be active and have fun with friends. Healthy food is colorful. It has lots of vitamins, minerals, and fiber. What kind of healthy food do you like to eat? Do you like fruits or vegetables? Maybe whole grains or lean protein? Well, there are many options when it comes to healthy food. And we should try to eat a variety of foods to get all the nutrients we need. Can you name that nutrient? That's right. Calcium makes your bones and teeth strong. Iron helps you grow and develop. And protein helps build and repair tissues. And don't forget about vitamins and minerals. They help your body fight off sickness and stay healthy. So remember, eat your fruits, veggies, and whole grains. Choose lean protein and limit unhealthy fats, added sugars and sodium. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water. It's so important to make healthy food choices so that we can have the energy to do the things we love. Our next speaker is junk food. I am junk food. Some people call me fast food. I am easy to get and I am cheap, but I'm not healthy. I'm full of bad stuff. I have lots of sodium, added sugars, and unhealthy fats. I don't have much nutrition. I don't give you energy. In fact, I make you feel sluggish and tired after you eat me. I am not good for you. I can make you sick and I can make you fat. I can even make you go blind. Some people like the way I taste, but I am not worth it. I'm just not worth it. Well, that was a lot of information. Let's review. Healthy food is nutritious. It gives you energy, it helps you focus, makes you feel good, and helps you grow. While junk food is full of bad stuff, lots of sodium, added sugars, and unhealthy fats. It doesn't have much nutrition. It doesn't give you energy. It makes you feel tired and sluggish. It's not good for you. It makes you sick. It makes you fat and can even make you go blind. We have so much information on this topic. If you want to learn more, check out the links in the description. Thank you for watching. Remember to share and like. See you next time.